Your iPhone lets you know when there is an incoming call, text or app notification using sound, vibration or both. But there is no notification LED in the iPhone. Not many people know that iPhone lets you use the LED flash next to rear camera to alert you of incoming calls, messages and other app notifications. In this video, I will tell you how to enable LED flashlight notification on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Accessibility. Now go to Audio Visual. Scroll down and tap on LED Flash for alerts. Toggle the switch on to enable the flashlight notification feature, and that's it. Now when you receive a notification, your iPhone's flashlight will blink, allowing you to easily see if you have a new notification without having to look at the screen. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if you have any question to ask. Thanks for watching.